Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to verify age on Netflix. To verify age on Netflix, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, open up a browser. So you cannot do this using your application. So you need to open up a browser and on the web address type in www.netflix.com and log into your account. This is gonna log. So you're gonna go ahead and press the profile from the right hand side corner of your screen. So here, click the profile from the top right and go to accounts. As you go to account, you could find session. So you just have to go to security first of all. So while you're on this page, click on manage profile and here you could go to adjust parental control. Once you do it, select the profile for which you want to go ahead and set it up. Here you could go ahead and enter your password to edit the profile maturity readings and title restrictions for this particular profile. So enter in your password and click the continue button. Next thing, you just have to go ahead and adjust the thing. You just have to go ahead and make changes. So this way you'll be able to make or verify age on Netflix. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.